Hey everyone, it's Sharon and welcome back to Beauty and Beyond. Hey everyone, so today I'm going to do a first impression on the Menow Kissproof Lipstick. I am quite interested about this lipstick because I've seen a lot of this around, like especially on Facebook. I've seen a lot of sellers sell this one, and I've seen a lot of people posted some lip swatches on this lipstick, so that's why I am quite interested about this lipstick. Considering from a person that is not a lipstick person like me, I am kind of intrigued what this lipstick can do on my lips. Yes, and I think I've seen a lot of people also here in YouTube reviewing and talking about this Kissproof lipstick. And aside from being very affordable, I am just curious what else does this lipstick can do on my lips. So today I wanted to test it out for myself, and I only got 2 shades since I am a little skeptical on buying this. I don't know what to expect yet from this product, so I just try to buy 2 at this moment, and I got the shade number 15 and number 12. So the colors that I pick are the colors that I could really say that I could really actually use. So let's try opening this. So these are the 2 colors that I picked. It's very similar actually. This one is just a little darker and this one is a little paler, but they belong to the same family. It's just like a mauve colored lipstick. So I picked this one up because I tend to use this type of color more than with orangey and bright red and dark lips. So I just don't want to waste my money on buying something that I will not use. So for now, I'm gonna be trying these 2 colors. So let's try first reading what's written here on the box. So it says powdery matte kiss proof soft lipstick. So I assume that this would be a matte lipstick, and also it says that this liquid lipstick, it's not a liquid. Oh my gosh, it's not liquid. It's a crayon type lipstick actually. So let's continue, guys. This liquid lipstick instantly lifts and hydrates lips, gives rich, creamy, long-wearing color. Wow, I'm confused. I'm not confused because it says liquid, but this one is not liquid. And what else? Oh, and it is made in China, of course, as expected, because this is a very affordable lipstick. So I got mine from 138 Mall. I think if you can remember that I featured this lipstick from my haul, which was like 2 months ago. That was 2 months ago, but this is the only time that I will be first trying this lipstick. I know it was really long time ago. So I got this one from 138 Mall, and I only paid for this one, like, I think it's only 75 pesos. Each. 75 pesos each. It's very cheap, you guys. Very affordable. But what I'm excited to know is what I could get from my 75 pesos from this. Will this make or break or not, whatever. So I'm so excited already to try this lipstick, and let's get on with it. So maybe let's try swatching it first. So this one is the shade, oh my gosh, number 15. This one here, number 15. Oh, it feels creamy actually. Yeah. So this is number 15, you guys, and this is number 12. Actually, they have the same shade, a mauve type color. This is the type of color that I exactly expected when I saw the back of the carton of the lipstick. So I'm so pleased with the color for now. So when I swatch it the back of my hand, it feels soft actually. It glides very very smoothly, but I don't know if it will do the same on my lips. So let's try swatching it in our lips. So right now I will be swatching the number 12. By the way guys, I only applied lip balm on my lips. That's the only thing that I have on my lips right now, and I wipe it a little with the tissue. So yeah, let's try swatching it in the lips. Oh, definitely it's very creamy and it glides smoothly actually. Oh. Wow. Pretty opaque actually, and I'm not having a hard time applying it on my lips. There are some other lipstick or lip crayons that is not that creamy, that is so hard that it is such a struggle to apply. But this one is actually creamy, you guys. I'm just going to and then wow, this looks dark on the camera, but in person it's fine. And let's see, how does it feel? When I try to touch my lips, it feels a little sticky, but not that sticky. It's still bearable. And oh gosh, my line's so crooked. So yeah, this is the lipstick. It's pretty good actually. I kind of like it, but it's a little dark though. Yeah, I don't wear usually dark lips. I'm more of a nude girl. So this is number 12. Number 12. So let's try the other one. So now I'm gonna try number 15. Oh, I like this one better compared to the number 12. This glides so easy, you guys. I'm impressed. I did not experience any tagging at all so far. Whoa, that was easy. I like this color better compared to the number 12. This is my lips, but better lips color, I could say. So yeah, still it feels sticky when I smack my lips. Yeah, it feels sticky. So this is number 15, guys. I think the lipstick has dried already. It's not sticky anymore compared to when I was applying it. Yeah, it really feels dry now. Yep. So I wanted to try if this will be kiss proof, like the name suggested here on the box. It says kiss proof. So let's try it. Whoa, definitely a kiss proof lipstick. Let's do it again. I'm not still so yeah, definitely it's a kiss proof, guys, like what it says here, kiss proof. Yeah. Wow, this is the first time that I'm using a lipstick that is kiss proof, because most of my lipstick, they are very creamy and they are not kiss proof at all. So wow, I'm kind of excited on this one. So I'm gonna try wearing this lipstick until the end of the day. Yeah, like I think around 8 or 9. My day usually ends at around 8 p.m. because I need to sleep like around 9. So most probably I will be back like around 8 tonight. So right now it is 1 o'clock in the afternoon, and this is how our lipstick looks. Yes, and I haven't eaten lunch yet, so the first test will be eating lunch. Yes, and then snack and coffee because I wanted to drink coffee again, and I also wanted to try if this will transfer if I drink water, and yeah, I wanted to see if this will transfer on the glass. And so far I'm impressed with the Kissproof thing. Yeah, nothing, still nothing. It's still not coming off, you guys, so I'm pretty much excited on this one. And yeah, I will see you at the end of the day. Bye. So I already ate lunch, and this is how the lipstick looks like. I know that this is better lighting. So this is how the lipstick looks like. The inner part of my lips here has faded and came off together with the food. But when I drank water, it did not transfer on my glass. But when I started to eat, yeah, this will happen. Although I guess I had no, I did not have oily food. Yeah, I ate vegetable and fish, but that was not oily. But still, the inner part of my lips that has lipstick totally came off. So this is what's left with my lipstick, guys. So that's an update for you. It's already 2:30 in the afternoon, and after eating lunch, so this what happens. It's not a complete long wearing lipstick, but although I still have one here left. But if you're going to, from far away, it's not obvious that your inner lip color is already worn off. But if you come closer, still it's not very noticeable because the lip color that I chose is a little similar with my lips color, so it's not very noticeable. But if you're wearing a much darker lipstick, I think it would be very obvious here. So yeah, this is my update, guys, and I'll see you later tonight. Hey friends, I'm back, and it's the end of the night for me, and it is already almost 9:30 in the evening. Yes, I know you might be thinking 9:30, it's still early, but we usually sleep like around 10, 9:30 to 10, because the kids needs to sleep early because they need to wake up early in the morning for school. So I need to sleep with them because they cannot sleep if I'm not going to sleep too. So yeah, usually 9 I'm already done washing my face, but for the sake of this first impression, I need to be up until 9. Not up, yeah, I'm still up until 9, but I haven't washed my face yet. So here we go. So as you can see, there's nothing left. There's nothing left with my lipstick, actually. Nothing. So I don't have any idea for how long the long wearing takes effect, yeah, on the lips. But for me, after I had my lunch, everything here, yeah, like from the inside, it started to fade off, like here, and only the outer portions are left, which is very annoying. That's why I don't usually apply lipstick on my lips, because of that reason, where I have the lipstick left on the side of my mouth, and I don't like that. So yeah, as you can see, there's no more lipstick, guys. And That's too bad because I was hoping that it is going to be a long wearing lipstick, because I haven't found any lipstick that lasted me for the entire day, like up until nighttime, and this one did not do. And I also reapplied the lipstick after I had lunch, and surprisingly it did not look weird after I reapplied the lipstick. So yeah, it was fine, but yeah, no more lipstick. So my final verdict on the Menow Kissproof Soft Lipstick is that it is an okay lipstick. Actually, it's only 75 pesos. Yeah, you cannot beat the price for only 75 pesos. So even though it did not lasted the entire day for me, but still it's fine with me, considering that it is very very creamy still. I did not have any problems when I was applying this on my lips. If I'm going to compare this with the lip liners that I have, I'm really struggling and dragging my lips whenever I applied my lip liners. But this one did not do that, because I believe this one is very similar with a lip liner, and yeah, it glides smoothly on the lips, so I have nothing to complain about that. And also it did not dry up my lips, guys, even though it feels dry when it sets. From the first time that I applied it, it feels really sticky and tacky, but after like a minute or two it already dried, and it really did feel dry, but not to a point where you could feel your lips cracking or something, but it just feels dry, but it still feels good. I find a lipstick to be always fine with me if it will not dry my lips, because I really hate it when a lipstick makes my lips dry and cracking, and yeah, I don't like that feeling. So far this one did not made me feel like that, and yeah, it was a thumbs up for me. And what else? Oh, I like the shades that I got. I really like them. They are true to its color, so what you see here is what you get inside, so that's a plus for me. So if you're asking me if I recommend buying the Menow Kissproof Soft Lipstick, yeah, definitely I recommend buying this one, because for the price range, I think it's okay. It's an okay lipstick actually for 75 pesos. And also you could find some other stores who sell lesser than 75. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you find this helpful, and if you have any questions regarding the Menow Kissproof Lipstick, just leave a comment below, and also you can message me on my Instagram. So if you're not on my friends list, make sure to message me on my Facebook page, because I get notification there, yeah, instead of messaging me on my Facebook account, because I cannot see if I have messages from people who are not in my friends list. So yeah, if you have any questions, just make sure to comment below and or message me wherever you want to. And if you find this video helpful, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. And also, please, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, guys. It would really mean so much to me. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you on my next video. And always remember that makeup is not a mask worn to hide oneself, but rather makes you a better you. So I hope to see you on my next one, guys, and I love you always. Peace.